Okay, the cats are making a noise. Hello and welcome to Annie Buns. Today I'm going to make something yummy. Rice Krispy Treats with a little bit of a twist, but I call it Easter Krispy Treats. So this is what you're going to need. Rice Krispies, lots of Easter eggs, 17 to be exact, some butter, and a glass of chocolate milk. I used Super M chocolate, that's my favorite one. So let's begin. Okay, so I have measured it out to 6 cups of Rice Krispies, 17 Easter eggs, all cut up in little blocks, and 3 tablespoons of butter, and I still have my glass of chocolate milk. So those are the ingredients you need for Easter Krispy Treats. The other things you're going to need is a wooden spoon, a spatula, and a rectangle, square pan, whatever. I have just covered it with a wax wrap at the bottom. And also quite a large pot to melt everything in. The very first thing is take a sip of your chocolate milk. And then you're going to put your butter into your pot. There we go. So we are going to melt the butter first. We are melting the butter. So while you're waiting for the butter to melt, you take another sip of your chocolate milk. It's starting to bubble. So I'm going to add the cut up Easter eggs. I'm just going to keep stirring until that all melts. So the chocolate and the chocolate will start melting first, and then the marshmallow will start. So I'm just going to wait until, I'm just going to stir it until all of it has melted. Okay, so while we're waiting for this to melt, we'll just take another sip of our chocolate milk. Okay, once they melted, add your Rice Krispies. And now we stir and make sure that they get all mixed in. Okay, you can switch your plate off. Nice and sticky. So just make sure that you mix all the Rice Krispies in. Yeah, this looks good to me. Okay, so now we take our pan, take your spatula. Okay, mine still got butter on, but if yours is clean, just give it a quick spray of non-stick spray. The Rice Krispies won't stick to your spatula while you're putting it in the pan. Okay, so I'm just going to, here we go, throw that all, oof, yummy, yummy, yummy. You have to work quite quickly, otherwise it starts stalling. Ooh. And now we're going to use the spatula to just bring it down and spread it over the pan. And while you're doing that, take another sip of your chocolate milk. You can use your hands, you can use a spatula, you can use the wooden spoon, whatever works best for you. And sometimes it doesn't work with you at all, but that's fine. Use my hands a little bit there. Okay, so there we go. There is your treat. So before it sets and before it gets too cold, we're going to cut it. So you don't need a sharp knife. I'm just using a normal. And then you can cut it as big as you want, diagonal, squares, whatever. But cut it before it gets cold. And it's easier to cut and it's easier to take out eventually. And there you go. There is your Rice Krispy Easter Treats. Easter Krispy Treats. There is your Easter Krispy Treats. Enjoy them and let me know what you think if you've made it. Let me know what you think of the recipe, and like, subscribe, do all that, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Oh, don't forget your milk.